In the event of a flat tire, first make sure you're parked on a firm, level surface safely away from traffic. Avoid ice or slippery areas. Turn the ignition off, turn the hazard lights on, and set the parking brake. If possible, block the front and rear of the tire diagonally opposite the jacking position. For example, if the left rear tire is damaged, block the right front tire. You'll find the jack tools and lug wrench under the load floor of the front trunk area, or frunk. To retrieve the spare tire, first, remove the rear camera cover by turning the lock bolt counterclockwise and remove. Now, turn the lug nuts counterclockwise with the lug wrench. If equipped with locking lug nuts, you'll need to retrieve the lock key from the glove box and place that over the lug nuts first. Remove the lug nuts. Then, lift the spare tire away from the carrier. Return to the flat tire and loosen the lug nuts counterclockwise one turn while the wheel is still on the ground. Do not remove them yet. Find the lift point that is closest to the flat tire and remove the lift point cover. Place the jack under the lift point and turn the jack screw clockwise to firmly engage the jack saddle with the lift point. Do not raise the vehicle until you're sure the jack is fully engaged. Now attach the lug wrench to the jack and turn the jack screw clockwise to raise the vehicle until the tire just clears the ground, with enough clearance to install the spare tire. Remember, minimum tire lift provides maximum stability. Okay, now go ahead and remove the lug nuts and wheel. Place the spare tire on the vehicle with the valve stem facing out. Damage can occur if you mount the spare incorrectly. Reinstall the lug nuts and lightly tighten them clockwise. Now, turn the jack screw counterclockwise to lower the vehicle. Once on the ground, remove the jack and finish tightening the lug nuts. Alternate lug nuts until each has been tightened twice. Maximum effort should be used for final tightening of the lug nuts. It's always good to have the tightness checked with a torque wrench by an authorized dealer or at a service station. Return the jack and tools back to their proper locations. Secure the damaged tire to the spare tire carrier, replace the camera cover, and you're ready to go. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.